Hello viewers, welcome to Ubuntu. Today we are going to see about how to install Unison on Ubuntu 20.04. Unison is a free and open source and cross-platform file synchronization application. It permits the users to store the copies of files and folders onto different hosters. When two files are merged with each other, the difference gets copied from one replica to another. First of all, here we have to add the repository via PPA. Before initial installation, run the following command. Enter to continue. Now the repository has been added. Once the repository added, update the Ubuntu repository. Run the following command. After update the repository, run the following command to install the Unison package. Now the Unison application installation successfully completed. Once it's done, view the basic and advanced options of Unison's application by using the following command. Now we can able to see the basic and advanced options of Unison application. Then finally, if you want to check the version of Unison, run the following command. Now we can able to see the version of Unison 2.48.4. Thus we have seen how to install Unison on Ubuntu 20.04.